I'll see you.
Officer, you can come in now.
Come with me, my loves, to make a beautiful lady stunning. So yes, I'm going to start by prepping the attachments. I'm going to prep this and wait for her to get here. So she should be here in less than 30 minutes. And we're going to do it together. So see ya. Let's get some beautiful lady stunning braiding hair. So stay tuned for the tutorial and the whole in between. Yeah, they'll be going on. It's actually a full house, so it's going to be like a bit chaotic, but we're here for it. What's life without a bit of chaos? It's not going to be fun, so see ya. I love the lens, so bad. Yeah, so let's do these.
I'll see you.
Oh, the lawyer. No worries. Officer and then a lawyer. I'm done now. Then the match is there to match. You can be a witness.
I'll see your mother.
Explaining to you. Blend them. Little of that made this noise.
You think to get his wood or child? Something is going on. After the Lord, I'm very man. Okay, make content. Come with me as I unbox my,
I'd not tell you to shake your hand while you're drinking it.
Look at that cream. It looks so silky.
Keep your hands stable.
Golden one.
Yeah, man. This is the more.
Look at the cream. Looks so cream. Can you see that? So cool. Can you imagine the cream? It's everywhere, like Santa Claus.